Welcome to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Robinhood, and Robinhood Markets, as it's called, has the ticker symbol HOOD. Just for the day of today, the stock is up 25 percentage points. That is a lot for a stock. And of late, Robinhood has been the subject of a lot of complaints by its users and others who don't even use the platform because of what some of the users claim are tactics by the platform to favor institutional financial market participants. So that would include things that people reproach Robinhood for, like trying to get out of a trade when it is at an all-time high and then being prevented from selling their stocks. And that also happened with cryptocurrency, with people complaining that at the height of Dogecoin, when it reached, I think, 75 cents, people were trying to sell and even sell for less, like 69 cents, and they wouldn't find the sell button. AMC, GME, all of those meme stocks, when they reached their apogee, people tried to jump off the train and they couldn't. Their sales could not be executed. So you had all of these complaints against Robinhood, and that made the stock very, not so popular amongst some of the retail traders. However, this company, which was founded in 2013 and is based out of Menlo Park in California, it has introduced millions and millions of retail investors to the stock market, which is a very good thing. Also, the way the platform operates, it makes it very easy for unsophisticated investors to be able to execute their trades because the interface that it has is very easy to interact with. So two things essentially have happened with Robinhood recently, which I believe catalyzed this 25% increase in the stock valuation. The first, which I think is the most significant, is that Robinhood just recently has announced that they will allow trading during extended hours. This has been one of the major complaints that people had. A lot of people left the Robinhood platform to do their trades on other platforms like Webull, and Webull would essentially allow you to trade after hours. It was quite frustrating for some Robinhood investors to see, how news would happen after hours, and then the market would essentially shift and make major moves, but they were helpless, whereas people who were on the Webull platform could easily react to the market, either before the market opens or late in the evening after the market closed. So Robinhood allowing people to trade during those hours is something huge. And what that does also is it brings millions of people into this market, which are the pre-open hours and also after the close, which when you have a lot of people in those markets, then you also have liquidity, which means that it's easy to get in and out of trades, even though it may be late in the evening or before the market actually opens in the morning. So that's a huge improvement, and I think it will bring back a lot of people who left Robinhood. The second thing, which I think has also helped Robinhood, to catalyze this movement, is that they are now offering wallets for cryptocurrency. So that way, Robinhood doesn't act as a proxy or the middleman between you and your cryptocurrency. Having your own wallet within Robinhood means that when you have your cryptocurrency, you have the keys to your cryptocurrency and you essentially own your cryptocurrency. Whereas before, Robinhood acted like the middleman, so you will buy cryptocurrency, essentially giving your money to Robinhood. They had the wallet, and then they would use their wallet to execute your trade, and then they will hold the cryptocurrency in their wallet and then just mirror the value of your cryptocurrency to you. So what you will be looking at is just the value of the cryptocurrency which you did not hold, but which belonged to you, but resided in the wallet of Robinhood. So those two fundamental changes, I think, has made the market to make peace with Robinhood, and so it has built up confidence in the company, and more investors are buying shares of the company, and I think also you will have a lot of people coming back to the platform. These are two measures that people have been calling for a very long time, and I think Robinhood just saw that a lot of people were leaving its platform and they had to do something to stop the drain. And so they implemented these changes that people were calling for. And I don't know if it's already too far or too late, but I would give it to them that Robinhood has a very, very beautiful user interface. Anyways, we will keep a close watch and see where the stock heads. But already you can see that's really substantial over the past 5 days. It's a very spectacular recovery. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next video, and until then, thanks for watching.